Okay, I have for sale a 2016 XLR Nitro toy hauler. It's approximately 30 feet long. We've got in the front, we've got two 30-gallon propane tanks. We have the electric lift to jack it up. It has the MORryde electric stabilizers, front and back. Has a MORryde suspension with nitro-filled tires. 3-step entry steps. Makes it easy. See how low that bottom step is to the ground? Makes it a lot easier. And here is the driver's side. Has the generator, 4KW Awning generator, brand new. Of course, your hot water heater, your water inlets. It has a black tank flush. Over here you have your power inlet, has cable inlet, has satellite inlet, has an outside shower with your flexible hose nozzle that snaps in there. Has a 30-gallon fuel tank with fueling station. Let me get that hold up. Okay, here's your fueling station. Has your gas nozzle, fuel gauge, which is not turned on right now. You have an on-off switch inside. Nobody can steal your fuel. The rear of the coach has your garage door. Has a wireless backup camera that is included. Has front storage. It goes way back under the bed. There's a lot of storage in here. Has electric awning. Also has the rear electric awning, which we're fixing to show you here in just a minute. With the rear porch, we'll show you how easy it is to set up the porch. LED lighting under the awning. Has outside speakers with red LED lights. It has red LED lighting under the stairwell. See how easy it is to put the porch down? Gate out. Voila, your porch is out. Okay, here's the awning out. On the sides, of course, you get your screen door. You have the pull-down screen. Of course, there's our porch with the awning. You won't find many of these tow-behinds travel trailers with the porch on it. This was special order. Factory was nice enough to send it to me. Unless you order from the factory that way, you normally don't get it. So this is a beautiful option, especially in the cool weather. Okay, here we are inside with the porch. We have two bench seats that fold flat and go up in under the bed for your toys that come in. As you can see now, I have the awning out. There's an electric awning that comes out quite a ways. You have your bed up top that'll come down. We'll bring that down in just a minute. Here's your seats. There's also a table we'll bring down in a minute. Kitchen. And you've got these sink covers with a 3-burner stove with oven, all stainless steel refrigerator, microwave. Of course, we get the ladder sitting up top there for the bed. Flat screen TV in the living room. We have your control panel with all your lights and all. And back outside, show you that we have garage lights that come on at night, and these will light up the whole back of the rig. Definitely has a lot of lighting. Now without the sink covers, you can see the size of the sink. Double sink, stainless steel. Here's the bathroom. Skylight gives you plenty of headroom when you're in the shower. You have your shower, sink, commode. The sink has an upgraded faucet, a little bit taller than the other one, makes it a little easier to wash your hands and your face and things. Okay, we have the master bedroom with your closet on each side of the bed, storage up above. We have a manual skylight with a little fan in there. 32-inch flat screen TV. We have a pocket door or slide door, or I guess barnyard door you call them, side to give you privacy in your bedroom. And this is a king-size bed. Regular king-size bed, and gives you plenty of room to roll around. And the bedroom here also have USB ports to charge your phones. You have a 110 outlet. Take a picture of it too. Alright, the couch folds down into a flat bed for a lower bed, and then we're fixing to bring the top bed down here. Just a second. Now to fold the seats up, you just flip it up. Up and over. You've got cup holders you can flip down or up. Okay. Pull down screen. Just pulls right down. Keep any bugs or critters out. Okay, we went ahead and unsnapped the window covers. You got a window on this side. Of course, the covers, we left this one up on this side because of the sun, but there's pockets in there to put all kinds of goodies in there, and they snap up and down. We have 2 XLR carpets, custom made from the factory. One at the front door and one by the sink. They cover up your tie downs pretty good. There's quite a few tie downs in the garage to tie down all your toys and goodies. But of course, when you're standing by the sink, the carpet makes it nice where you don't have those under your feet. Also, forget to mention, there's a TV mount. This is a TV mount. The TV in the living room lifts up and can be taken out here and snapped in. And of course, you have your connections for your cable and everything right here with your plug.